In today's demo, we're going to be going over how to apply a markup to your storefront. Now, to apply a markup, you're going to have to use the Mass Adjust tool, which you could access by logging into your admin, then go into Catalog, then you're going to select Mass Adjust Prices at the top of the page. Now, when you do that, you're going to be redirected to the following page that I'm currently on. Now, once you get to this page, the first thing you're going to go ahead and do is select the website. In my case, we're using our demo website, fullcolorwow.com, but whenever you log into your admin, you're going to see your website reflect on the page. Then you're going to go ahead and select manually set prices. For level, you're going to select category. Then you're going to check off set prices based on wholesale cost. And then once you do that, you're going to get a complete list of all the categories that are enabled on your website. Now, to apply a global markup, you're going to have to select all the categories. So scroll down towards the bottom of the page and select all. And then you're going to scroll down to where it says amount and begin applying your markups. You're going to see the different tier levels, so corporate, retail, tier 1s through tier 6. So at this point, I could just go in here and enter my markup levels. I'm just using the default ones that are already in place. But once I have entered everything, I could just select submit, wait a moment or two for the markups to be applied, and then I could go to my storefront and then confirm the markups were indeed applied to my storefront. Now, let's just say you want to apply markups on a category by category level. Maybe business cards, you want it to have a separate markup from vinyl banners. You could do that as well. So to apply a markup on a category by category basis, you're just going to find the category on this list. So I'll select business cards, and I won't select anything else, just business cards, and then I'm going to scroll back down to the amount section and again begin applying my markups. Once I have everything in place in this section, I could press submit and the markup for business cards would be applied. Now, there are a few customers that like to apply markups a little bit differently. Now, another way that I'm going to go ahead and show you right now is applying markups at a quantity by quantity basis. Okay. Now, to do this, we're going to do a simple change on this page. So we're going to go ahead and select specific values. And once I select specific values, a drop down is going to appear right below it. So since we are applying markups to quantities, I am going to search for quantity. And whenever you do search quantities, there's going to be two different options that you could choose from. You're going to go ahead and select the first option. And once you do that, a list of the quantities should appear. Now, I'm going to go ahead and select 0 through 10. And I'll select car magnets. So the markup that I'm going to apply is going to be for car magnets up to a quantity of 10. Now again, going through the same process, I'm going to scroll down to the amount section, apply my markups, and then submit. And then the markups will be applied to car magnets up to a quantity of 10.